We're talking about the power of experiential learning. And I talked about the importance of the goal being very clear. What I would like to do is focus on this now. In the experience, this goal is the driver for everything. So let me use an example. In the world of sales, I used this in the last video. And I'm trying to teach my salespeople the importance of partnership. By itself, this does not justify the training time that an experience would take. But if I take this partnership down and I break it into its component portions, so for example, in a true partnership, it's important to understand the customer need, because you're focusing very hard on that, customer need. The second thing you need to focus on is ongoing communication. It's got to be key. The third is you've got to make sure that it's being driven, that there's a profit motive. And the fourth is that you have clear process. So if I want to drive a partnership, I have to be thinking about these three things. So now I come back to my experience. In the experience, I start here when I walk in the room, I go through this experience, and I come out at this end here. So this experience here must include these things. All of these things must be embedded in here. So the part of the reason the experience is such a powerful thing is not only are they learning the key principles, they're actually able to experience the complete elements, the portions, the components of this principle, which means the experience is designed right up front to guarantee that after you've been through it and you come out the other end, you learn whatever it is are the key components. And that is the power, because I have been able to say, I've learned not only about partnership in this case, and it's generic, but I've learned the principles, and those are built in by design. An experiential learning event is designed to teach not only the principles, but how those principles play out in your real world, so I can then learn back on the job. And that's part of the reason this is such a powerful vehicle.